So, here's the thing. Never ever pull fire alarms in public buildings unless there's a fire. Because if you pull these, if you pull these down for fun, you'll get into really big trouble, so don't ever do it. Because I've seen videos on YouTube where people do something like this, and it's not cool. It scares people, and you'll be responsible for panic. So yeah, never pull fire alarms for fun in public buildings. Because if you pull these down for fun, you'll get into trouble. And I'm not responsible for your actions. So don't ever pull these in public buildings. And also never tamper with them, because I've seen videos of people where you just take a key out of a nuttier at a shopping mall. And then open the pull station like that. You know, it's tampering. You can't do that. You just can't do that. You can't pull them. You cannot tamper with them. Also, let's say if you walk up to a fire alarm and just pull it, you're gonna get in big trouble, possibly arrested, or you can get grounded by your parents. Don't mess with the address loop. If you see the 1s at 3, leave it at 3. If you see the 10s at 12, leave it at 12. You just leave them how they are. Don't flip the switch down, because they can actually set the alarm off. So don't take the fire lettering off. Don't take the push and pull down bar off of it. Don't take the logo off of it. Don't take the lock off of it. Never take this off the wall. Never take the terminals off. You leave it the way it is. If you have permission to pull these down for a fire drill or fire alarm test, that's fine. Or if you have your own fire alarm system at home, you can pull a fire alarm for fun or tamper with them in your own house. Yeah, it's fine to do it at your house, but in the building, never. Because you can get into trouble if you pull fire alarms for fun or tamper with them in public buildings. So yeah, don't do something like this to it. Don't do this. Don't do this. Don't pull it like this. Don't do any of that. Don't do this to the handle. Don't press the handle. Just doing this can't set it off, but you'll still get in trouble because you're touching it for no apparent reason. Yeah, this is a horrible idea. Yeah, pulling these down for fun is very horrible. Don't do something like that.